Hello everybody, this is Hard Reset. And what if your signal is having problems? Like messages not sending, notifications not showing, or the app crashing? Try these troubleshooting steps. So, if you logged in on your signal and you have some issues, just try to reopen your app. Swipe like this and go for your signal, and here you go. But if it still doesn't work properly, you can go to check app permissions. So we're going to settings, apps, search for signal. Here you go. And this is our app permissions. So if you want to speak with someone or call someone and you want to do it with camera, you need to click on the microphone permission and allow. Camera permission, allow. This is all quick and simple. Yes, I understand that each other phone has the different design of the settings, but the process is still the same. So phone, allow, contacts, allow, photos and videos if you wanna see those in the chat, always allow all. And here we go. The permissions are allowed. But what if your signal it still doesn't work? You need to reinstall the app. So we're going to the Play Store, search for the signal, go here and uninstall. And install again. And here you go. Open the signal, log in, enter your data and check for the issues. If you will have issues that are still didn't solved, you need to check for service issues. It could be the server dropdown. So there is a page named the Down Detector on Google. You need to type like this, downdetector.com, and go to Down Detector. And you can search for the signal. And if you don't have the signal in the line, you can go here and type signal. Okay, so you can go here and check on the signal. As you can see, there is no problems with this application. For the last 24 hours it worked correctly. So if it isn't an issue, the last option you can do is to restart your phone or check your internet connection. I've connected to Wi-Fi, or you can have a mobile data, so just check internet connection. If it's working properly, just restart your phone, and I hope this will solve your issue. Thank you so much. Appreciate to your likes, to your follows, to your watches, and see ya in the next video. Goodbye.